Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin or BTC. Bitcoin is currently at the $65,000 level. We are currently ranked at number one with a market cap of about $1.28 trillion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $42 billion. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction, or what is this week's open and what that means for Bitcoin going forward for this week, right? So, opening the week, we are up about 1.4%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we are on the chart right here for Bitcoin, Bitcoin versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And one of the things we love to see right here on the channel is that prices usually move from level to level, right? And we saw the weekly open. Let's flip to the weekly, right? Just looking at the weekly open, the weekly opened a little bearish. As you can see, we opened below last week's candle. So on the weekly open, one candle represents 1 week, right? And so this candle represents 1 week. We saw this massive push to the downside to the $60,000 level, came up with a lot of buying pressure, and as you can see, we have opened below. This shows that we could see the price of Bitcoin push right back down to the $60,000 level to retest it before we could see any push to the upside, right? And I'll prove that to you on the daily. If we just flip to the daily gives us more context right here. As you can see, we are already seeing this flip right here of our trending EMA, showing that minimum we should be expecting is that prices is going to retest this $60,000 level one more time before we could think of any sort of bounce, right? We couldn't even see prices go as low as the 100 EMA, or we could see a wick into that $58,000 level, but this is showing that this week we could see another retest of that $60,000 level. Another reason basically we could see that retest right here is the volume profile. The volume profile has been quite bearish for quite a while. As you can see right here, the volume profile became bearish on March of 24, and the volume profile has been bearish ever since, right? Every single bounce has been basically some sort of a higher low or a lower high. As you can see, our momentum continues to remain very low, and so far we see that the momentum is very low and is still in favor of the bears. We should still expect minimum at least one more push to the downside, right? So momentum is really low right now, and our weekly open is showing that we could still see one more drop right here for Bitcoin before we see any sort of bounce right here. So that's the update right here on Bitcoin. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day ahead.